Sit. Shake. Good job. There you go.
So you saw that I just got a really nice package from Thrive Market. I just used it as grocery shopping. I used to use Thrive Market when I was in Chicago because I absolutely hated going to the grocery store and just like driving or carrying my groceries back. I like to do like a big haul and then not go back for a while, but I've been living at my parents' house, so I stopped. And then I just wanted some like of my snacks. My parents don't always eat plant-based like I do, or just like the stuff that I do. So got a big freaking haul from Thrive Market. So thank you so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited about all my little snacks I'm gonna have. Also, if this is the first clip in the vlog, hey, what's up? But I'm so excited about my coffee this morning now because I've got cold brew. And then Thrive Market will do where you can pick like a sample. You know how like Sephora at the end of checkout you can pick out samples? You got to pick out samples from Thrive, and I got 2 of these nut pod creamers to try out, which I'm really excited because I've never tried them out, and I always see like Emma Chamberlain talking about them. My coffee's gonna be good this morning. As you can see, I got like Ernie dog treats. They have cleaning supplies, they have beauty, they have like dog stuff, cat stuff, which is just really awesome that you can do everything at once, like hand sanitizer, which everybody needs right now. So I made the coffee taste test. That's good. Oh my god, that tastes like I guess I just never use creamer because that tastes like coffee shop coffee. That literally tastes like coffee shop coffee because I never use flavored stuff, so I only get flavored stuff when I'm like at a coffee shop. But I wanted to look because I was like, wait a second, that came so early. It's 10:30 and that package got dropped off at 10 a.m. and I ordered it December 17th. It got shipped out December 18th, and I ordered it December 17th at like midnight. Got shipped out December 18th. At what time? At 2 p.m. and it got here within, it was literally 20 hours ago. I got the email that it shipped. So that shipping's insane. I forgot how fast it was because, again, I haven't used Thrive Market since Chicago, and I wasn't sponsored by Thrive when I was using it back then. Really, the only reason I stopped using it for a little bit is because I wasn't buying groceries at my parents' house. But I'm hoping to move out soon, if you can't tell by all of my house hunting videos. And then also I'm getting a studio space that I will probably end up sleeping in, so I'll want food there. This is what I wanted to tell you guys though. Literally everyone's buying groceries, so I don't know why you wouldn't want to use this deal. You're going to be buying these items anyways. I can't believe the selection Thrive Market has on there. My favorite thing is that you can select like what kind of diet you fall under, whether that's like gluten-free, vegetarian, vegan, keto, whatever, and shop products that are just already like approved for that diet structure. And if you join Thrive Market today, I'm filming. And if you join Thrive Market today and go to thrivemarket.com/LaineyOzark, you'll get 40% off your first purchase and a free gift. And literally, like, that's groceries you're gonna buy anyway, so like, why not just take advantage of the 40% off at Thrive? I remember I was watching like a YouTuber's videos and they had the same promo and I did it and I was immediately hooked. I really hate grocery shopping. I love doing it online. I can like just see everything laid out. I never miss anything. I'm just such an online shopper in every way, even when it comes to groceries. Brandon's coming over and I'm gonna show him that we got those little jerky bites, those vegan jerky strips, because he absolutely loves those and I can never find them at grocery stores by my house, and Thrive Market had every single flavor, so I'm gonna go back on there and buy all of them. I just didn't want my haul for this video to only be those jerky strips because you guys would probably think I'm unhinged.
Nice. Where's this from?
Thrive Market. Are you gonna check them out now?
Yeah.
You can get 40% off your order at thrivemarket.com/LaineyOzark.
Okay.
Ernie's listening too.
What? Nice. These are sick.
I just have to ask all of you to ignore my room. Honestly, the mess is like all pushed to the side, but I want to pick out an outfit with you guys. And I think that this is so cute. This vest is from Free People. It looks a lot like another one that I have, and I wanted to find one that you guys could like buy, so I can link this below for you guys. And then this little t-shirt's also from Free People. It has Smokey the Bear on it. Be careful, there are babes in the forest. How cute is that? And I feel like the vest over the t-shirt with the like t-shirt graphics really peeking out is so cute, especially with like the colors of the vest and the t-shirt. But I just don't want to be cold wearing this today, but I do think it's so cute. And especially with my little headband. I didn't wash my hair today. This is just like how it dries natural, but I slept with it in a bun last night. So to like get it to tame, I'll put it in a little pony until it figures itself out. I don't know, I think this is a really cute outfit. I think I'm gonna keep it on. I was like talking myself out of it. And then I think I'd do my leather jacket or my bomber with this. The loafers look cute. Yeah, we'll do loafers or tennis shoes. I might want to do tennis shoes. We'll do 2 of the same color tennis shoes today because I don't know if you guys saw the other day. Brandon wears 2 different tennis shoes sometimes. Like it's the same style but 2 different colors, and I always thought it was really cute, and I finally tried it with my 550s and I really liked it, but not for this outfit. Okay, I really like how this looks. And then because I feel like the loafers made it a little too preppy, but since I'm not wearing like a longer sweatshirt, I might have to do this jacket just to stay a little warmer, which I think that's really cute too. And then if my hair just ends up not working all day today, I can do the beanie, and that just like plays it down a lot more. But I like the headband. I'm like obsessed with these headbands right now. You guys know these, I have 1. Oh my gosh, I like this outfit a lot, and I was not expecting to. I've been using my old camera again. If you're watching my videos on my skin, it looks really irritated right now. Just on camera. Doesn't look irritated in real life as bad as it does on camera, but it's clearing up. This is no filter so much. I got 1 pimple there, but it's already going away. And then these are all just scars right now. We're getting somewhere. My room is a disaster. This is what it tends to look like 24/7, and I hide it because I'm a catfish. Let's hope Brandon wakes up soon, and then I'll probably take you guys thrifting. Let's talk about what I'm doing right now. I am putting everyone's little gifts together. So, little headband. I've made so many of these, but they're just so cute. This is a little ear warmer one, and I'm gonna give this to Catherine because she said she really liked them. And then we've got all of these little, like, you're supposed to stick them on gifts, but they're cute little cards, so I'm just gonna use them as like the real cards and throw it in. And then I made this one for Izzy. I thought it was really cute. It's like the mohair, and I think she'll like this. And there's Izzy's. So Ava's got like 2 presents basically because she's moving into her apartment like right when she comes back from on vacation. Her first apartment ever when she comes back from vacation. So I made these little like tufted coasters. This one's a mushroom. Can this focus? This one's a mushroom, and then this one's a little cherry. They look way worse on camera, quite honestly. Together they look cute, and these were totally like just blatantly copied from That's Tufted on Instagram. She's also on TikTok. Her little like car coasters went viral on TikTok, so check her out for sure. I told her I was doing this. Definitely check hers out if you just want to buy them. Honestly, she sells them for such a good price that it's almost more worth it just to buy hers, and they're perfect. But I like to be a crafty little girl, so I made these 2 coasters for Ava, and then I think I'm gonna make 2 more. I'm just not very good at them. So that's a struggle. And then right now I've got a little bit left of this really nice merino wool chunky yarn, and I want to make Amanda this like kind of bandana tie around your neck thing because I was gonna make her leg warmers and I kept pushing it off because it's gonna take me so long. So I'm sorry, Amanda, but I'll make you leg warmers after Christmas when I'm not like, oh wait, I didn't make Ava a card. I will make Amanda leg warmers after Christmas when I don't have so much to do. And then I still want to make Ava the little fingerless gloves, but I can make those a lot later just because she is on vacation for 2 weeks. She already gave me my present and so did Izzy, but I wasn't ready. I'm gonna hope that it's easy. I think it's gonna be easy. And then also I want to show you guys what I'm knitting right now. I'm knitting, this looks like a scarf, but it's going to be a bolero. I'll roll it in half and my arm will go through it. And it's just gonna be like from one side to the other, you know? And then I might make a matching tube top if I can get more of that yarn. And like, how cute did this turn out? This was just kind of me practicing knitting with the mohair on like a bigger set of needles, and I really like how it turned out because the mohair yarn, you can see over here, is super thin. Sorry if this is not interesting, and I want to see how it would look with like thick needles, and I love how it looks. Let me show you the one that really caught my attention. This one, how to knit easiest ever triangle wrap. This is what I knit. Or I always Google YouTube. And normally the internet knows what you're trying to say. So I'm gonna go with this one. Let's knit it. And Amanda has a peanut head, so it won't take me as long. This took me a little under 2 hours. An hour? How long did this take? But like that. And then it's just gonna stretch out even more over time. But I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I think it's super cute. I like it. It's gonna look cute on Amanda. She has one like it. So, if you didn't know, I basically said that I will not be participating in the dress over pants trend. And then I thrifted this dress, which is basically like a shirt because you can button it where it's long enough to be a dress, you know, so like scandalous. This will be so good in the summertime, but also you can wear it as a shirt. And I want to try it with jeans. All I'm doing today is going to the thrift store to find yarn, and then if I don't find yarn there, I have to go to Joann Fabrics. But I'm gonna put on these jeans from Free People, and I think I might just leave the Uggs on. And then we're gonna unbutton a lot of these to make it shirt length. I don't know why I do things in such an odd order. Like, I put one shoe on and then I start doing that. Yeah, let's leave it at that. This is me eating my words, or I guess I just love to lie in those other videos. It just shows, don't take anything I say seriously. Let's add a trench, because it's still cold outside. But I just want to wear this dress in the winter, and the perfect way to do it. That's really cute. Me being upset. And then also from Free People, I got this scarf, which we could add. Yeah, that's fun. I don't want the scarf though. Me? Saying I don't want a scarf? Who is she? My room is such a disaster. I love it. I just really love it. It even looks good with my dumb beanie on. I just have this on because I don't want to wash my hair. Yep, this is me eating my words. I love it. That's all. I just wanted to show you guys and document it. Look what I just found. For $25. I was gonna get it and give it away, but I'm just gonna let somebody else find it because I don't want to take it away. But it's literally my jacket. It's perfect. It's suede. I can't believe it. It's right here. Somebody will find it. And this is all my yarn. Did you guys know jujitsu and jujutsu are the same thing? Because I think that's really dumb. Why spell the same word differently? Like gray with an E or gray with an A? It's stupid. Went to the thrift store and you saw that we found that really cool jacket, the fur-lined jacket. Also, while you were checking out, I found another shirt. It's like this little Hawaiian tube top, and it was Vintage Express, and I was gonna throw it in with your stuff, and then I panicked and I didn't.
Should've.
I know. I knew you'd say that too. I did get yarn. Look at, I found this baby blue mohair. I found this cream mohair. I found this blue mohair. I found this pink mohair. I found this mint mohair. And then I found this just super fun and funky. And I just can't believe I got all this yarn for $12. Normally one roll is $12. So, yay, but I still need a little more yarn before Christmas, so we're gonna go to Joann Fabrics and maybe get something to eat. This is my boyfriend. Hi, Merry after Christmas. I still didn't finish all my Christmas gifts because my friend Ava went to Florida for Christmas and I knew that, so I really used as a crutch to wait to knit my presents. And then my grandma, we didn't get to see her on Christmas, so I also used that as a crutch of why I didn't have my presents done. But I took a couple days, 2 days to recuperate. I had, you guys know, I didn't make it through Vlogmas. I unfortunately dropped out of the race like 3 days before it ended, which honestly, that's a lot better than I thought I was gonna do. They weren't vlogs, but if I would have done all vlogs, never would have it happened, because most of the time I really am just sitting around knitting, watching my shows. That's what I'm doing right now. I wanted to show you guys though, I just knit these gloves for my grandma, and they're little fingerless ones, and then the wrist is like kind of big and like your hand could fall out of it. So I added this ribbon that I like sewn through here, and you can untie it and cinch it on your wrist, which I thought was a cute touch for messing up. And I'm doing the other one right now. I definitely needed a break from knitting the little cinch. Honestly, it's a really cute touch too. I'm a little worried about how easy it's gonna be to untie and tie, but it's like once you tie it once, you're really not gonna mess around with it, so I think it's fine. I'm obsessed with this yarn though. Here are the gloves. I think my grandma will like them. It was this really fun, that's the rest of the yarn, but I really like this yarn. It's so soft. And then this is the other one. It's called like Buttercream. I don't know where it's from. Oh, the brand is Buttercream. Luxe Angel Hair, if you guys want to check it out. You know, and I would move on to mittens, because that seems like the next step in my knitting journey. But I love the fingerless gloves. Like, if you have, you can use your phone. Mittens are just like cumbersome. They're good for like snowboarding, and even that, it's like, I want my fingers to be able to get out. So yeah, super cute. That's all. See you guys later.
Hey everybody, it's way later since I filmed that last clip, but I never ended this vlog, so I wanted to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you again to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. If you guys want 40% off your first Thrive Market order, go to thrivemarket.com/LanieOzark and you get a free gift with that. Like, you're gonna buy groceries, why not get them for 40% off? I really don't understand why you wouldn't use this promo. But that's it. The vlogs will be stopping for a while, and we're gonna go back to our regularly scheduled fashion content. I've thought of some really fun fashion idea videos for you guys that I'm really excited to share, and I just can't wait to start the new year with some new, fresh content. Thank you so much for watching again. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in a few days. Bye. Boom!